We're going to start this match in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Match number 25 underway here in the autonomous period. 3173 here coming back from the Coral Station on the far side. 340 maintaining their posture over by the Coral Station for red. And that will be the difference maker here. Blue Alliance pushes out in front 32-6 as drivers take control. Igniters already on the far side of the field with an LG in hand. They deliver it to the processor. They're going to make that 2 quick scores here. And the processor, no, that one falls back out and they will have to reacquire. They decide to let that go and not spend time on it and head back to Coral now as 99-97. The Fairport robotics machine heading onto the defensive here early into blue territory, trying to slow down these blue teams, but a score there from the Igniters, and it looks like both alliances have already capped off level 4 for the ranking point. We'll see if they decide to continue the scoring for match points or go for the ranking point instead. Not necessarily mutually exclusive, but it can be a shift in strategy for these teams. It looks like we got one alliance apiece, 3173 and their teammates working on all 3 top levels of the Reef. Meanwhile, 340, the principal Coral scorer here for the Red Alliance, working up high onto level 4, trying to make sure they secure those 3 ranking points for the win. And we'll see if they can get it done. They still have a deficit to cut here, 84-66. Blue Alliance with 2 of the levels needed for the ranking point with 1 minute left to go. 424 on the near side, joined by their teammates, looking up on level 3 and level 2 here. 1 score up onto level 3. There's the score on level 2, but unfortunately, one of those Coral goes flying off in the meantime. 424 puts one in its place. Still enough, it looks like, on that row for the ranking point count. They will need enough on their 4th row to get the ranking point. They have the lead. Red Alliance still trying to cut the deficit here. 112-84 with a half a minute left in play. Here comes 340 and 3173 rounding their respective reefs into that blind spot. Both of them securing up high. Once again, 3173 now on level 3, and this Blue Alliance reef is filling up fast. 15 seconds left to go here in the end game. No motion for the Blue Alliance towards that barge zone yet. We'll see what they decide to do with 8 seconds left. 340, the team from Churchville, lining up at the very edge of the field. Both alliances with 3 seconds left to go. Here come the Igniters with a 2-second climb here for the Blue Alliance. Time runs out in match number 25. And another potential 6 ranking point match. It is possible. We'll see what the referees have to say. Scores are official in that last match, and this one's going to go to the Blue Alliance. Blue takes the victory. The final score was 148-98. And it was, in fact, a 6 ranking point match here for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance not going home empty-handed here. They do get the barge ranking